The body of a man was found with his head bashed in last night on a dirt road in Point Hill, St. Catherine. The deceased has been identified as 33-year-old Orion Small, otherwise called Johnny, of Murders District in Point Hill. The police report at about 11 o'clock a resident was on her way from church when the bloodied body of Small was observed on a dirt path. The police were summoned and the body was discovered with a part of the head bashed in. The scene was processed and the body removed. Investigation is being undertaken by the Point Hill police. Two men said to be members of the Jamaica Defence Force has been charged after they were accused of disobeying a team of police officers who signaled them to stop on the Edward Siaga Highway. Reports are that about 4:50 p.m. on Monday, the soldiers were traveling on a busy thoroughfare heading towards Kingston when they reportedly signaled to stop by members of a police team. Allegations are that the soldiers disobeyed and sped off. Police said the soldiers were again signaled to stop by another team of officers who were meters away from where the first team of lawmen were operating, and they were accused of again ignoring the instruction. Reports are that they were concerned as they attempted to pass through a toll booth along the highway. A member of the police team said the soldiers were charged and issued several tickets for disobeying the orders of the police. A video of the incident has since been circulating on social media. Classes at the retirement primary school in St. Elizabeth was dismissed early Tuesday after a man invaded the compound and threatened staff and students with a machete. This is the second incident involving the suspect who was taken into custody. In October 2022, former principal Anne-Marie Robinson Terry Long was hospitalized after being chopped on the head by the man who attacked her in the schoolyard. Chairman of Retirement Primary Herman Samuel said no one was wounded in the latest incident, but staff and students were left traumatized. Mr. Samuel told Radio Jamaica News that he alerted the police and called for assistance from residents after he was informed that the man was on the compound Tuesday morning. He came by the school again today, threatened some of his staff. Luckily, the children already went home and I got a call this morning, minutes to 8, that he's on the compound with a long machete. When I called the principal, Mistress Lennox, she told me that he had barricaded them in the school and they had to lock the school door. The principal was on school business, so when the citizens came down, he apparently ran. So they catch him and the police came after, so the citizens handed him over to the police, he recounted. Mr. Samuel said classes will resume after the Easter break.